Hi guys, welcome to Coffee with Perks. ACG Perkins here. Today I just want to talk about, which is really silly, but still, it's the 5 love languages. What's yours? Mine is words of affirmation. Um, but I love giving gifts to other people. Of course, there's always a tie-in to any book that I talk about that leads to my book. So in my book, they say the dead have no voice. Lisa finds the true love of her life, R, and something tragic happens. But you're never going to know unless you read it. So check out my book, They Say the Dead Have No Voice. And then, of course, check out 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman. Thanks. Thanks for joining Coffee with Perks. I know everything I talk about is cheesy, but it's because I just want you to support me and get a copy of my book, They Say the Dead Have No Voice. Thanks again for joining. Cheers. Happy Friday. Be safe.